For this video, I recommend that you set up your hosting account with a company called HostGator or Bluehost. HostGator and Bluehost are very reliable website hosting companies, and you must have your website hosted somewhere. Now, if you already have your hosting set up, you can just skip this step, but if you do not, this step is very important to you. So once you've purchased your domain name through GoDaddy or Namecheap or any variety of websites that sell domains, I recommend GoDaddy. Then you need to come to a site called hostgator.com, or you can go to bluehost.com. Both of these websites have a very clean, easy to use, friendly interface, very simple to work and navigate and use. So I highly recommend you look at either one of these. They're very cost effective, extremely reliable, 24/7 customer support. So if your websites go down at 2 a.m., you can still pick up the phone and call them. If you have questions for them, you can call them as well. When you go to hostgator.com, I recommend that you choose Learn More. And what you're going to see here is an option for a hatchling package, a baby package, or a business package. So I recommend you go with the baby package because that gives you unlimited hosting as far as unlimited space, unlimited bandwidth, and even unlimited, domains could be hosted. So you could have multiple websites within the baby package. Now that package will run you $9.95 a month. Right here it says $7.95, but that's if you pay for 3 years all at once. But I recommend that you just go with the $9.95 a month option. It's really all you need. And just go ahead and choose Order Now. Where it says select a domain, you can choose register new domain, but at this point you should have already registered your domain. So choose I will use my existing domain and update my name servers only, and I'll show you how to do that. So for this example, we're just going to put in a sample domain here and just choose next. And then on this very next page, it's going to have your coupon code. So you can choose the billing cycle you want to go with, whether it's 6 months, yearly, or if it's one monthly payment of $9.95. So you can choose whichever billing cycle you want to go with. And then simply choose Calculate Totals. Calculate Totals. So there you have it. It's going to give you like a 20% off coupon. Different times of the year they have different coupon codes. So it kind of varies, as to the discount you get. This one's $1.99. So your first month is only going to be $7.96. And then after that, it's going to just charge you $9.95 per month every single month thereafter. So it's a really good hosting package for that price. Now you could choose, if you want to go yearly to kind of maximize your discount there. You notice that as you upgrade to like a yearly package, it actually knocks off your yearly amount clear down to only $95.92. So it actually basically takes your cost with this 20% discount to only $95.52. If you divided that by 12, it'd come out to be about 7 something a month. So for about 7 something a month all at once, you can get HostGator unlimited baby package. So that's something else for you to consider, is if you're going to set it up that way, you could do that, so where you're going to just bill yearly. But monthly is fine as well if you're just setting up. But if you really want to maximize that discount, you might go with the yearly option just to really make sure you maximize that. So now after that, just choose Calculate Totals. And then it's going to take you through a process here, and you can put I'm a new customer. And then what you're going to do next is just put in your first name, your last name, your address, your city, your state, your primary email, phone number, your username. Make sure you remember these things. Username and password, extremely important. Choose your payment option, whether it's going to be through PayPal or with a credit card. And then go ahead and choose Submit Information, and then select Verify My Order, and then your order will be complete. So that's how you go through that process. So that's the HostGator setup process for you. It's very easy, very simple for you to use, and you can see here they're extremely reliable. They've been hosting over 2 million domain names at this current time. So HostGator is a great option to use. Bluehost, you set it up very similar. You just choose Sign Up Now, and then you go through the same steps that you would as if you're with HostGator. They have a really good yearly option, and they have very good yearly option for their domain names. So those are just some ideas here for you to consider. as far as your hosting goes. So we'll go on to the next video, which will show you how to tie the domain name that you just purchased to your hosting account that you just set up.